Floral Tide Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you love fresh flowers delivered to your door, Floral Tide may have caught your eye. Most people get this wrong by expecting uniform pricing or free delivery everywhere. The surprising truth is that Floral Tide pricing varies based on bouquet size, flower type, and delivery distance. Standard bouquets usually start at what premium arrangements with exotic flowers can range from. Some packages include same-day delivery fees or subscription plans for regular deliveries. Seasonal promotions may lower costs, but peak periods like Valentine's Day often increase prices. What you get: fresh, professionally arranged flowers, optional gifts or add-ons, scheduled delivery, and a subscription option for ongoing floral arrangements. What you give up: delivery fees, slightly higher costs during peak seasons, and commitment for subscription plans if you choose recurring deliveries. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Choose a bouquet that fits your occasion and budget. Step 2. Consider subscription plans only if you truly want regular deliveries. Step 3. Check for promotional codes or seasonal discounts. Step 4. Review delivery policies to avoid extra fees. You won't believe what happens next if you skip planning. Last-minute orders during busy periods may cost double, and flower quality may be limited. The surprising truth is that Floral Tide offers convenience and high-quality arrangements, but smart planning ensures the best value for your money. In conclusion, Floral Tide provides beautiful flower delivery with transparent pricing. By considering bouquet size, delivery options, and seasonal timing, you can enjoy fresh flowers while maximizing the value of every dollar spent.